Look at this. Do not push on gate. Mechanical arm. This is one of the coolest houses you will ever see. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, wait, this? This? Mikey, you don't even know what's past this door. Welcome to 100 years ago. Oh, look at that, it works. You see? I don't know why they had to mess with the doorbell.
What's up, man? How you doing, baby? Good to see you.
Josh Picker works for the Altman brothers.
How we doing, guys?
Like I said, this is gonna be one of the coolest houses you're ever gonna see. Just the start of this right here, just the fact that, Josh, give us the intro real quick.
Property was built in 1926. 5 bed, 7 bath, 4,400 square feet. The biggest lot in this neighborhood. The biggest one, hands down.
So this is about an acre in prime Brentwood.
One family, never been on the market.
Never been on the market. Yeah. You guys are seeing something that's never been on in 100 years that no one else has seen. It's okay. Wait, listen. It's old house.
To the great room.
To the great room.
To the great room.
Like, first of all, the smell of this house. You feel like you're in a lodge. Like, I want to walk around with my dog, Brandy, and a cigar.
Yeah.
Like, these are 100-year-old beams right here. There are at least 10 of the coolest things I've ever seen in a house in this house. The first one you saw, that was how you ring the doorbell. Number 2, this. This is from the well down the street. You keep it on 24/7. Your dog walks around, he wants some water. It overflows and it goes down the drain. It's coming over. There we go. So that's that. You know, these days you build new houses, you can't do natural fireplaces. That's a code in California now. So a lot of these houses, when you knock down a house, you will see the only thing standing is the fireplace, because if they knock that down too, they'll never be able to make it a natural fireplace. It will have to go to gas. This is one of the biggest fireplaces I've ever seen. Check this out, right? So this is the original house 100 years ago. What year is this magazine? Look on the side.
1958.
1958.
I guess it was featured here, and yep.
Look at that.
This.
How cool is that?
That is like the pool house, I believe.
Yes, that's right.
I think that's outside.
I mean, it goes on and on.
So much.
It's 100 years old. That's pretty old. Like Boston, you might see an old house that's like 100 years old. They have older houses. But here, this is as old as it gets.
Does it come with that?
That's negotiable.
Yeah. The bedrooms here?
Yeah, you want to do the bedroom?
Come on, let's go to one of the bedrooms. This is used as their master.
It's a time capsule, right?
Exactly what it is. And again, every room with a fireplace. Every single room will have.
Oh, really?
Every single room. Check out this bathroom's great. I mean, you feel like you're in the Brentwood country club here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look at the old school wallpaper too.
Little hidden nooks.
That is awesome.
I mean, yeah. All right, we're now gonna head to my personal favorite. I know that's your favorite room. This is my favorite room over here. And notice, I like this is like cobblestone streets. It's amazing. Check this room out. Welcome to one of the coolest rooms you will ever see in any property. 100-year-old room right here. You feel it when you walk in here. Like the meetings of people in 1921. Imagine that, 1921, sitting here. Same fireplace. Look at this. Like, Mikey,
Yeah, Josh.
you want some porridge? The kettles, oh my God. You heat everything up. You got the stove built in here. I will tell you, number 3, you ready? I told you the 10 coolest things you'll ever see in a house. Number 3 is at your bar, most people need to go buy water. Guess what? The well down the street, you pump this, water comes out. 100 years old.
Supper.
Supper!
Supper.
So you got the kitchen, of course, old school kitchen, has been updated a little bit since. You got the old stove. It's pretty magical. And what's cool also about Canyon View, so Canyon View is not one of those, you know, beautiful, like double wide palm tree streets. Canyon View, it feels like you're driving through a canyon. And actually a lot of people like that about this in Brentwood, because it's not the very fancy schmancy kind of road of Brentwood. You feel like you're kind of in a little more of the country, which is nice. And actually that's the vibe that this goes with. So this is very cool to me.
This is a cool room.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Oh, cool. Guys, anybody up for some bridge?
Look at this. Look at this. Come look at this. It's like, you know, most doors you just open. So this one is the lock. Open. Oh, boom. See that? Look at this. Hand carved. And you can tell this is a guy from the 50s just from the hairdo. Like, Mike, come here. Come here. See how it like goes waves a little bit? Like, see? Oh, I never saw that fireplace before. You know what's cool is when you walk through this property,
You just see new things.
yeah, there's new things for sure. Epic shower. Oh, this is cool. You know what's cool about this? This is like that wall,
Yeah, Instagram wall.
Instagram wall.
So cool.
What is that store with the wall, the pink wall? Paul Smith.
Paul Smith.
Yeah.
I personally love this room.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. I agree with you.
Yeah,
I agree with you.
Look all the way out into the yard.
Yeah, wait till you see it. You have no idea. You have no idea.
It's so cool. We still have 2 more rooms.
Another fireplace. Another beautiful access to the outside. Oh, this is cool. I didn't realize how many fireplaces were in here.
Every single room.
Is it literally every single room?
Every room. Every single, even the one downstairs, which is the smallest fireplace we'll see.
Amazing. Just all this stuff is so cool.
Old stuff,
Yeah,
all around.
old stuff. This is basically a full acre in Brentwood. I don't know if you can see the depth of it, but go all the way back to that last tree. This is very, very unique. Come on, let's go check it out.
This is awesome.
All right, so check this out. Another cool, what cool thing are we on? When it rains, and also during certain seasons, behind you turns into a river. This house has a river run through it.
A natural river.
Yeah, like the movie,
Like a
River Run Through It.
River run through it.
Yeah, natural river. Straight from the mountains up there.
That is awesome.
Isn't that cool? And so we're gonna walk over a bridge right now.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. It's
Park light almost.
yeah.
So, funny story, my brother, who's my older brother, still treats me like his little brother. He was behind this tree. He jumps out and screams, I almost fell over into the river. Oh, you were here.
Oh, I was
That
there.
sounds about right.
It's literally scared the hell out of me.
You have a full kitchen out here.
What?
Stove, wine fridge, ice box.
Look at this pool, man.
I know.
One of the coolest things about this house, which we love, is the wood used in this pool house area that you see here was actually pulled from the Santa Monica Pier when it burnt down
In the 30s.
Wow.
So the pier burnt down, then these were in the water. They craned these from the water in Santa Monica, and they used these beams from there. So these beams are originally from 1909. But these fireplaces, all this, everything in here, the memorabilia is amazing. And this was the scene, by the way, you saw in that 1950s magazine. This was where that scene went down.
2 changing rooms here that are both bathrooms. So you have 2 extra bathrooms here. One's a full, one's a half.
Yeah,
They don't make them like this anymore.
they don't make them like this.
Like this is like a 12-foot drop.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lap pool. I love this house. Everything about this house I love. This is one of those houses that you want to make sure one of your friends buy it, right? So this is cool. What's cool? Well, the reason why I'm going to tell you this is cool is obviously during the right time of year. This is beautiful roses and fruit trees that are blooming. This also, for today's day and age, you want to put a tennis court, pickleball court, right?
Volleyball.
Yeah.
Bocce ball.
You can pull in here. I mean, for me, I'd have, 15-car garage, but yeah. Oh, here. This fireplace was here when they bought the property. They uncovered it. This was all in dirt. This got to be 150 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, this place is magical. What a view right there.
Yeah, they can't tear it. Whoever buys it can't tear this thing down. It's too special.
I think this is the coolest room in the whole house. Not only is it far away from the main living area of the house, but it also resembles a boat. You're in a boat room. Look, seashells everywhere.
Wait, these are also from the Santa Monica Pier. These are the real deal. Again, these are just different parts of the pier, painted white, smallest fireplace in the world. Anybody have a half a match? Something super unique, one of a kind here. You feel like you're in the boat. You look through there. You see that? You feel like you almost see like fish or something.